MichaelLGeorge, Lean Six Sigma, combining Six Sigma quality with lean speed. Welcome to the compelling world of Lean Six Sigma, combining Six Sigma quality with lean speed by MichaelLGeorge. This book delves into the powerful amalgamation of two distinct performance-enhancing methodologies, Lean and Six Sigma. For a business to truly excel, it is essential to understand and implement this combined approach. With Lean focusing on process speed and efficiency, while Six Sigma targets defects and variance elimination, this summary offers an insight into achieving near-perfect results, cost savings, and high customer satisfaction. Prepare yourself to uncover the secret to a customer-centric business, strategies for creating a quality-driven culture, and tips on how to fully optimize your operations from both a Lean and Six Sigma perspective.
Lean Six Sigma, a winning combination. The combination of Lean and Six Sigma is an effective strategy that addresses both quality and speed in business operations. While Six Sigma focuses on eliminating defects, it fails to address time. Therefore, Jack Welch added the concept of span, which measures the variation in delivery times based on customers' requests. The Lean Six Sigma approach leaves nothing to chance, ensuring that both the activities that affect the customer's perception of quality and those that cause delays are addressed, while simultaneously keeping costs under control. The survey in Industry Week magazine showed that more than half of the firms that responded failed to achieve the world-class objective of meeting delivery deadlines 98% of the time, and a whopping 3/4 had not been able to reduce their lead times by 20% during the 5 years prior to the survey. Achieving top business performance. The book suggests that Six Sigma is a quality-driven methodology that aims to achieve top business performance and benefit customers, shareholders, and employees. The technique requires both Lean and Six Sigma for rapid improvement and emphasizes 5 key factors for success. These include customer centricity, financial performance, management engagement, resource commitment, and execution infrastructure. Customer centricity involves understanding customer needs and using measurable factors in the production process. Financial performance is a key focus, and leaders must add a significant amount to the bottom line each year. Management engagement requires active involvement from senior management to align Six Sigma projects with company strategy. Resource commitment mandates a percentage of staff to Six Sigma, with champions and black belts being the company's future leaders. Finally, the execution infrastructure mobilizes every level of the corporation to achieve the process improvement goal. By combining these factors, Six Sigma can help businesses achieve lasting success in performance and leadership. Unleashing Lean philosophy. Lean is a process philosophy that aims to eliminate non-value-adding time from production, reduce inventory, and enhance quality while cutting costs. Lean believes in speeding up processes by reducing the time spent waiting between steps. This is done by calculating process cycle efficiency, which involves analyzing the ratio of value-added time to total lead time. Lean management helps in reducing costs and time delays while increasing efficiency and revenue. The philosophy of Lean thrives on the laws like the law of the market, the law of flexibility, the law of focus, and the law of velocity. The Lean philosophy involves unleashing the power of efficient processes to increase revenue and productivity. The power of merging Lean and Six Sigma. When Lean and Six Sigma are combined, it can bring about an 80% reduction in lead times and 20% cut in costs, resulting in a 99% improvement in delivery times. To merge them effectively, certain steps must be followed. These include involving the CEO, training the top level, dedicating the best people, and inculcating a mindset that does not allow product variations. It is also important to train black belts in team leadership and Six Sigma techniques while saturating the organization with Lean Six Sigma. The DMAIC formula is a useful tool to structure the path from project idea to an active project, which includes defining your project goals, measuring the problem and tracking progress, analyzing data, implementing solutions, and controlling improvements. The tollgates meetings for each step involve presentations from the team assessment, counseling, checking progress against schedules, and running political and organizational interference to help the team. Ultimately, dealing effectively with the human element of improvement is more critical for team success than the analytical processes and tools. Caterpillar's Lean Six Sigma approach. Caterpillar, a leading practitioner of Lean Six Sigma, follows a four-phase approach to institutionalize the practice within the organization. The phases include compliance, commitment, embedding, and encoding. Momentum at the beginning of the process is crucial, and choosing high-profile projects and allowing top personnel to dedicate their time to the initiative helps build momentum. By communicating its benefits and success stories, Caterpillar emphasizes the importance of Lean Six Sigma and expands it across the organization. Lean Six Sigma does not only improve processes in a workstation, but it also improves the entire organization and the supply chain. The lower lead times and reduced variation, which are achieved by capping the permissible amount of work in process, keeping WIP flowing smoothly, correlating material, and using a pull system, can reduce production costs and increase manufacturing flexibility, giving companies a competitive advantage. Companies can gain the most benefit from implementing Lean Six Sigma by using it from the beginning, starting at the initial product design phase. By redesigning a machine using Lean Six Sigma principles, Caterpillar not only achieved cutting the lead time by 2/3 but also improved customer satisfaction while cutting costs. The quantitative approach to efficiency. Lean and Six Sigma employ a quantitative approach to streamline processes by reducing waste, inefficiencies, defects, and variability. Lean aims to make production and service delivery more predictable by minimizing delays between activities, while Six Sigma targets defects to ensure consistent and reliable performance. Combining both methodologies can result in impressive improvements in customer satisfaction, cost reduction, revenue, and other important areas. A lean process is one where value-added time is over 25% of the total lead time of the process.
MichaelLGeorge's Lean Six Sigma provides a comprehensive understanding of the synergistic powers of Lean and Six Sigma methodologies, with a plethora of practical applications within your business. Focused on driving both quality and speed, this book shapes your organization's approach and culture, addressing customer perceptions, eliminating delays, and maintaining cost control. By incorporating the detailed guidelines on initiation, resource and project selection, implementation, and the crucial DMAIC formula, you will be equipped to successfully implement Lean Six Sigma in your business. Caterpillar sets a prime example of its benefits, with Lean Six Sigma transitioning from mere compliance to an essential part of the company's DNA. Overall, implementing Lean Six Sigma from the initial product design phase promises astounding improvements in customer satisfaction, revenues, and cost reduction.